Lights, camera, action! Hello, my name is Sal and now we are in the Rosa Resort. Let's go! Wait, we'll back. Oh my God! Okay, what can you say? Wait, nagutom na ko! Ah, wait, repeat. What can you say? Nagutom na ko! Okay, here. Okay, what can you say? What's that?
Kaya po, di ba ko kayo?
Oo, di magtaas na, no?
Sabad.
Ah, here. Okay. What can you say?
Hello.
Good. Okay, what can you say? What can you say? Face the video. Okay. The video. Krishna. Face the video.
Bumang, okay, Pete. Try na ako basa.
Oh, very good. Okay, we will back now. Okay, this is just. Then
You will back
I will ask for license. Okay, the license. I will go there. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Nakamagpapit niya. Wait. Let's go. Okay, now I'm very excited. Okay, we will be back there. Now, you will realize how beautiful it is and how boring it is here. Wait, come on, focus this video on me. Okay, ouch, I'm sorry. Okay, now. Okay. Focus the ballerina, okay? Now, the ballerina. Okay, ballerina, what can you say? She said that I will perform later. Okay, good. And now, here. Okay, say, what can you say? Wala, okay.
Hi, by the way.
Okay, oh wait, you stop that. Stop that.